Bryant's a cop shooter?
Yeah, not much to him. But he did that job on the Dozeman kid last week. Gave it up in a full statement.
Before or after you knocked the shit out of him?
Injuries were sustained while patrol officers were effecting pursuit and arrest of aforementioned suspects.
He was caught east side, right?
Yeah. The wagon made a stop at the Western District for an unscheduled tune-up. It's dark on that back lot. The Western boys mistook him for a pinata.
So what do you think?
I think this is a tragic motherfucking miscarriage of justice. I think it deserves a special grand jury, and if not, the president should appoint an independent prosecutor. Oh, no. Actually, I think Kofi Bryant and the United fucking Nations should get involved.